Today I'm gonna give freedom to 4 hunting dogs, and there will not come any new dogs in this place. I'm gonna give freedom to 4 hunting dogs, and not any new dogs will come in this place. So this is the one. It's a girl. Another one there. It's also a girl also. 2 girls. There is a lot of poop everywhere. This is how the dogs live. Inside there also the same. All this is poop. They leave the dogs like this. Inside in this cage, 2 dogs. This is the life they have, poor dogs. I'm gonna give you freedom. You will be very excited. Wait and see. Yes, I'm gonna give you freedom. Yes, you will have a big smile. You will run. And that one also. 2 girls here live in their own poop. Disaster. And another 2. Here we are. Another 2 hunting dogs. This is an older. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy. I'm gonna give you freedom. This is an older one. Looks older. And you can see the situation here. All poop all around. So dirty. And this is another one. She's shaking. Don't worry, baby. Don't worry. Hey, Happy Tail, we will give you freedom. Poor dogs. Okay, so because I'm alone, I will have to put the phone down, and I will try to take them all from here. 4 dogs. I'm gonna keep you updated. I have nobody to record me to take them away. I will do it by myself, and I'm gonna give them a better life. They will go away from the cages here and from the chains. Let's go free. Let's go free. And this one is so scared. Πες μου. I'm gonna keep you updated. We are close to the sea. Let's go free.